Namaskaram. I am Nara Bhuvaneswari, Managing Trustee of NTR Memorial Trust. Our mission has always been to empower and uplift lives through education and service. Today, I am delighted to announce the meritorious scholarship test for aspiring UPSC civil servants. This initiative is our commitment to support bright and hardworking students who dream of serving our nation. The scholarship will provide financial assistance and expert guidance and ensuring you have all the tools to excel in one of India's most prestigious examinations. I encourage all eligible aspirants to seize this opportunity. Remember, your dedication today shapes the future of our nation tomorrow. For details, visit our website or contact the below phone numbers. Together, let us build a brighter and stronger India. Wishing you all the best.